Good morning. This is a severe weather alert from Responding Fire and the Weather Pros. As we're going to talk about the severe weather outbreak we're likely going to see today. I always give you the fire in these storms and the fire forecast. Let's take a look at the fire. Severe thunderstorms for forecasts. Intensity will be high. We're talking about tornadoes and damaging winds over 75 miles an hour. Readiness, you better prepare now. It's going to get violent this afternoon. As it's looking right now, damaging winds of over 75 mile an hour is possible. Tornadoes, flash flooding. And basically, the timing is from noon to midnight. We're already getting a tornado warning in the parts of North Carolina, which all this stuff's going to move north and east. So we're going to have a very interesting afternoon. Exiting Saturday morning. So that's what we have going on right now. Let's take a look at Storm Prediction Center's outlook that just been raised. And you can see Roanoke's here. So right as you cross in Bedford County, enhanced risk, and that bumps right up with the moderate risk. So I would just say anywhere east in Roanoke, you're pretty much locked in a moderate risk of severe weather, which is a 4 over 5, as you see here. This is very dangerous. This is very likely to cause damaging winds widespread and tornadic activity to occur in these areas of enhanced. And Roanoke, you're not out of it either. I mean, it's just the way that they have it looking. And reasoning, I can show you. Here's a lot of people asked me about last night about this. And they don't understand it. This is a sounding. Basically, what this does is you look at the time frame right here, which would be right around 5 o'clock. This is the balloon that goes up into the atmosphere, and it gives you back information. Okay, you see southeast winds at the lowest levels. As you go up, it changes wind with height. So you have a veering southeast to west. So when you cross, let me pull this into the thing. That's what causes the rotation. So that's why we have a risk of tornadoes. You can look at some of these numbers here. Not good. Storm vectors, not good. Anything with this blue line or above where you could get. So EF0, EF1, all the way up to EF4. It rotates. So you see that's how it rotates right here. When that happens in this, that's rotation being shown. If you start looking on the LEL, which in purple, LCL, that's lower level. That's not good either. Tornado is the potential hazard type, and so you see it pretty much telling you there's going to be tornadoes around. What else shows you this? The significant tornado perimeter. Roanoke's right around there. This is the STP, and this is actually very bad. This is higher numbers. When you get into the 4s and the 5s, we're looking at pretty likelihood of tornado warnings popping off. And of course, it has happened already. Parts of North Carolina are in tornado warnings already. If you look at this, green and red, this is really good rotation too. And all this stuff's going to be moving northeast, so towards Roanoke and Bedford County. So it's going to be a very violent afternoon. It's only at 10 o'clock right now. So this is why we have to be weather aware. Make sure you have multiple ways of getting a warning. Don't just, not just your cell phone. A weather radio is the best. You get them right now if you want to at most of your electronic stores. Walmart's, I usually carry them actually too. I think some Kroger's carry them. But anyway, be weather aware. Be alert for warnings. Know where you're going to go. Be ready. Have your electronics ready because damage is likely going to be caused, which is going to cause power outages. So be very prepared. This could, not every place is going to get this, but places that do get this, it's going to be bad. And on that other range, the line this afternoon will affect a lot of people. So, and tornadoes can form in those lines. So please be very aware of what's going on today. We are under a moderate risk for most of the area, slight enhanced risks. They're all higher risks for severe weather. We usually get some severe weather in moderate and marginal, which is the 1 out of 5. So it's a very active afternoon, and we'll keep you updated as much as possible. On the Facebook page for Responding Fire, please go there, like it if you haven't. And in this area, and we will be popping up warnings left and right for you there as they happen. So please go there if you live in the Roanoke Valley, Franklin County, all those local counties, Southwest Virginia, this whole area. Please be ready, be prepared, and we'll talk to you again soon. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thanks for watching. Be weather aware. We'll talk to you soon. Stay safe.